What's up, guys? My name's Ronnie, and today we're going to be working on my 05 STI. We have a little exhaust problem. We have this jank stuff going on there, and so I had a buddy ship me an exhaust from Georgia. Shout out to Derek. Here's the exhaust right here. We're just going to get that prepped and ready, and we have to take it to the fab shop and get them to change some flanges on it, and hopefully next week we will be able to put this thing on. Okay guys, so here is the problem with this exhaust setup. My downpipe is a little bit too long, so we're going to have to cut this, get this flange off, weld this flange there. And then on our new mid pipe, it takes a donut gasket. As you can see right here, so it takes a donut gasket, so we got to cut this off and put the flange off the old exhaust pipe on there. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to get that stuff cut off. Alright guys, ran into a little bit of a snag here. I don't have enough wheel to cut this off. Can't get in there. So we're going to go ahead and just take this over to Paul at Freedom Fab and have them cut this flange off. Get the flange off the old exhaust, get this flange off, get it all welded up so we can get the exhaust back on the car. So hopefully next week we'll have that all done and we'll be able to get the exhaust on the car for you guys. The battery's dead?
Sweet.
That's what happens when you let your car sit too long. Cold start on the car. We're going to let it warm up and then we're going to give you a couple rev clips. But for now we're going to go talk about what we're going to do next to the car, which is work on the Volks that are going on here.
We got dogs and kids and wheels and uglies.
So these are my Evo 3s and they're going on the STI. The lips are kind of banged up a little bit, but not a big deal. What we're going to do is we're going to take the faces out, repaint the faces, polish up the lips a little bit, and then hopefully get some tires. These are 8-inch wide wheels, so not exactly what I want. Plan on going by 10s eventually, but for now we're just going to clean them up, make them look good, and get them back on the car so that the car has a proper set of wheels on it. Alright guys, so the car's warmed up. We're going to get in it, do some revs, some two-step. With the access port, you can do this really funny thing where you can set two-step at basically any RPM. So we're going to set it as low as possible for you guys so you guys can hear it. It's so funny. And then we'll set it at what I normally run it at and you guys can hear it at that too.